હું નવલકથાકાર છું પણ સાથે ચિત્રકાર પણ છું અને લગભગ વર્ષોથી હું ડ્રોઈંગ કરતી આવી છું અને આજે જે મૂકવામાં આવ્યા છે તે ખાસ તો અમદાવાદના છે અને બીજા મારા જે પ્રવાસ હોય કે મારી કમ્યુનિટી છે જુઈશ કમ્યુનિટી યહૂદી કમ્યુનિટી એના છે અને એની અંદર જુદી જુદી રીતે હું નવલકથાની કેવી રીતે એમાં જોડું છું એ મેં બતાવવાનો પ્રયત્ન કર્યો છે.
With everything and with everybody here and with your presence. So for a second I'm not able to, I've written so much, and I wanted to say so much. I'll only start by saying that when I went to Baroda in 1960, and before that I was a great Tagore fan, and the person I was told has come from Shantiniketan was Shanku Chaudhary. And when I saw him, I said, this has to be my guru, because he had known Tagore and he was close to Tagore. So automatically he became my guru. It was a very difficult sort of experience. I must have been 15 and a half or 16 maybe, and he wanted me to do 100 sketches a day, because I told him I'm not so interested in art, and to write 500 words about whatever I felt like. So that was a strange syllabus for a professor to tell you, but I was very happy to do that, but it was very difficult to go through the whole process. The next morning at 8:10, his car would stop at the studio. He wanted to see all the drawings, and if he was not happy with whatever was there, he would just throw it off in the dustbin. We could do anything. So that was the time I thought very important that as he broke your ego as an artist. So you don't think you're the greatest. So you don't feel that thing that I'm so great or something. I draw so well or something like that. So it's been in my head. And the second thing was, after he scolded you, he would start laughing, or he would jump into the clay pit and start dancing. So then you understood that art is happiness, and that is more important than being a great artist. Everything away, because I have been looking at, my drawings, my publishers, first of all, I want to thank them that they have used most of my drawings in my novels, my books, everything. So in India and abroad, my drawings are known. In Ahmedabad, they were not known, and now because of Anil, they are known. And I want to thank Anil that I am deeply touched. He took such a deep interest in each drawing, these huge bags of and sketches and everything. He sorted, he saw which was okay, and this is the result. So thank you Anil very much. I'm deeply touched, and Amit Bhai has been following my literature and also knows that I draw sometimes. He compliments me once. So that is one.
That's right.
ઇલસ્ટ્રેશન્સથી હું ખાસો પરિચિત વચ્ચે આ બધું વાત ચાલતી હતી એટલે મને બોલાવ્યો ડ્રોઈંગ જોવા. તો મને ખરેખર બહુ આનંદ થયો કે એટલા સ્પોન્ટેનિયસ, એટલા સરસ રીતે થયેલા છે એમના ટ્રાવેલો, આ તે. તો અને એમ થાય છે કે આ ડ્રોઈંગ્સ છે ને કોઈ પણ આર્ટિસ્ટનો એક એક્સરે છે. સાચી ખબર ડ્રોઈંગ જોતાં જ ખબર પડે કે આ આર્ટિસ્ટ છે કે નહીં. એટલે આ ડ્રોઈંગ જોતાં પણ છે કે એમની તબિયત બહુ સરસ છે, અને આવતી સાલ ચિત્રોનું પણ પ્રદર્શન કરશે એવી અમારી એક વિનંતી છે.
આ પોર્ટફોલિયોમાં આ જે 12 ડ્રોઈંગ છે અહીંયા બતાવ્યા છે, 12 ડ્રોઈંગનો સેટ છે. દરેક પર એસ્ટરબિલની સાઇન અને એના એડિશન નંબર છે, અને એમના ડ્રોઈંગ જે અમદાવાદના છે એના પરથી જ અમદાવાદ માટેના આ લિમિટેડ એડિશન સેરીગ્રાફ તૈયાર કરે.